Good day, everyone. The reason why I made today's video is because I have been received a lot of query on how to find a right niche for e-commerce business. This is why I decided to do up this video to answer to my subscribers. And here you go. I will share 2 strategies for picking up a good e-commerce niche. A good niche will define the success or failure of your online business as well as your brand. So I'm going to share with you 2 newbie friendly strategies that, be it you are zero experience in online business, you are also able to apply the both strategies. The strategies number 1 is using Google Trends to track the trend. So a product trends isn't always the best way to choose a niche for the following reason. Because many products have a short lifespan that make the product demand to rise and fall in the popularity with little or no warning. You always need to look for the product that show a consistent upward trend at least for the past 12 months, or you look for a evergreen product. So show you with a live example. So you go to the Google search, you type in Google Trends. When you type in Google Trends, it will bring you to this page, whereby here you can key in a general product niche. Like for myself, I'm keying food container, and you look for the past 12 months. When you click enter, it will show you the trends for the past 12 months. As you can see, the interest over the past 12 months, it is quite consistent and it is quite evergreen because you do not see a sharp downwards, right? That means food container is suitable to sell. And the second strategy is check out your competition. So right before you do anything for your e-commerce business, the first thing you must do is determine which niche you want to narrow down and then check out the competition. Yeah, you need to make sure that you know how many competitors are there, who are they, and how are they doing. You need to do the homework and do the research. This is no shortcut way, and you need to put in effort. The more clearer you know your competitors, the more you can stand out from them. All right, but however, if you manage to find a few sites that are already dominating the space, you may want to reconsider your choice, because some of the big giants already dominating the marketplace. You as a newbie, we are not encourage you to go against the giant. Take an example. If someone want to buy a detergent, immediately she will think of P&G brand. She may not consider a newbie, no brand detergent. This is what I mean. All right. So I hope today the 2 newbie strategies could help you in searching your right niche. See you in the next video. Bye bye.